everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Reserve Currency Dog. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Guys, this project is launched. You can see this ISO 222 took it from us, but Abido has its a day. And next guys, you can check here, you can buy RCD. So guys, you can click this and see this page is open. So guys, you can see this, you can buy RCD through Iridium. So first of all, you can confirm token. I understand, confirm token. You can click this, then you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Phantom wallet, Solitaire, Ethereum wallet, MetaMask. So you can select any wallet, then you can enter your soul amount. For example, I enter soul amount 34. Then you can buy RCD token. You can see this, and next guys, you can see this chart of this project RCD. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. Guys, you can check here contact address about this project RCD. And next guys, you can see the ticker RCD. The reserve currency dogs are the disheartened, disgruntled and disappointed XRP, XLM, XDC, Algo and Quant holders who have wasted their time, money and energy investing in the ISO 222 coins and seen no gain. Now it's time to make back all of those losses with the best reserve currency meme. Guys, you can join this project on following Telegram group. So we go to this project Telegram group. So guys, you can see the reserve currency dog official Telegram group chat is open. Guys, you can join this group. You can see this 1309 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and next back to the home page. And next guys, you can go to this project DEX tool detail. You can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this DEX tool page is open. You can click the disclaimer. Okay, I got it. Then guys, you can see this chart detail of this project. You can see the reserve currency dog chart. So guys, you can swap now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Solplayer, Phantom wallet. Then you can select network. Then you can swap now. You can see this all detail. Next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. Guys, you can check here tokenomics 0% buy and sale taxes, Radium LP lock 60%, marketing 15%. You can see the contact address, community reward 20%. You can see the contact address, development 5%. You can check here contact address. You can see this. If you want to support the marketing efforts, feel free to donate USDC or Solana to our marketing wallet address. Guys, you can check here marketing wallet address. You can donate now. And next guys, you can check here roadmap stage 1: build Telegram, build X account, build website, fair launch on pump.fund, grow community organically. And next guys, you can check here stage 2: bonding curve to Iridium, Dex screener and Dex tool updates. Telegram is 222 members, marketing campaign begins, market cap is 0200.22k. And next guys, you can check here stage 3: airdrop to partner project. Telegram is 202.2 members, market cap is 02.0022 million, launch gem wallet, educational and information resources, self-sufficient community. And next guys, you can check here stage 4: Telegram is 020022 members, market cap is 020.022 million, launch reserve currency dog game initiated by back and burns. And next guys, you can check here contact address, Dex tool. You can see this RCD token legal disclaimer detail. You can check here RCD is a meme coin. It has no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. RCD is completely useless and for entertainment purpose only. When you purchase RCD, you are agreeing that you have seen this disclaimer. And next guys, we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see the reserve currency dog official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and get information about this project. You can see this important announcement detail. You can see this project launch date July 3, 2024. You can see this all important announcement about this project, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.